Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the G flat chord on the piano. The chord is also known as G flat major. First you locate your root note G flat, one key down from the note G. Place your first finger on the G flat and you locate your next note. It's B flat. Play this with your third finger. Locate your last note, it's called D flat. Play this with your fifth finger. There you have it, the G flat major chord. Now, because the G flat major chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or the root note inversion, because it has the root note at the bottom, G flat, right? To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note all the way to the top, like this, and move your hand. This is called G flat first inversion. To make the next inversion, move the bottom note all the way to the top, like this, move your hand. This is called G flat second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at root note position or root note inversion. Just one octave higher than where we started from, right? So this is root note inversion and this is root note inversion. Okay? And of course you can do this backwards or downwards on the piano. G flat root inversion. Now move the top note all the way to the bottom, like this. This is G flat second inversion. Move the top note all the way to the bottom. This is G flat first inversion. And move the top note to the bottom. This is G flat first inversion, right? So let's do it again. G flat root inversion, G flat first inversion, G flat second inversion, G flat root inversion, G flat root inversion, G flat second inversion, G flat first inversion, G flat root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply play like this. Root, first, second inversion, root inversion, root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the G flat major chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.